Gotta go on bait 3. Oh man, you ready?
What lane did he say?
I don't know.
Alright, let go.
Bait 3, lane 3. Oh my god. Damn. You get a target. We just got in there. Damn. We just got in there. We didn't even get a target. We got there. F in. Go F. Follow. Here we go. Block. Today, it's our 22. And I got this right here. I'm dropping it down. Damn. I'm shooting that shit.
Is it this way?
Yeah, should be that way. So tell me what you got.
I got a gun that does a 502. I got a
502. 502 that shoot 22s.
I got a 502 that shoot 22.
Yeah.
I'm damn near rapping.
Yeah. He got that shit today. Damn, that's a pistol? Damn, he's shooting a bazooka. Then I had a Hellcat with a, well, I gave it to somebody else. So I went Glock 43X. Secondary gun I want to get, but that's not the main gun. I really want this version, but the 509, the non-version is. So yeah. I think she's doing a TikTok. So say hello to TikTok. So yeah. Outfit check while we in the gun range. Give you an outfit check. So I go UK glasses, fitted, big studio, denim, Scots. This nigga is shooting a damn bomb.
Is that it?
Bomb! He's shooting a bomb. He pissing me off shooting that bullshit. You ready?
Is it finished? That's
Yeah.
what I'm asking you. That's the next one make a hole?
Yeah.
Alright, you
Ready?
go first.
Which one you want to shoot? I'm
I'm not shooting.
The game we using your gun.
No, we're using our own gun.
Okay. So
You about to use my bullets?
niggas gonna be so difficult.
You picked your gun for a reason.
So back up, shout it, back up. When I up there 5, then back up. God don't got no safety.
I forgot I had another one.
You made one.
Because I wanted 6.
You made two.
Nah, hold up. You bring it back.
That's your
You made two.
Damn. Oh shoot. Hold up. So I got.
You gotta show them.
I got 19. I back it up soon.
It's 7, just for 7.
So I got 16 and so I got 19. What the hell?
Is it this way?
Yep. Put the head back. Put the head back. Put the head back. Now you ready? Put your hands on it.
Like this?
Yep. Shoot it.
Yeah, I like this. I don't need to. I don't even think I made a shot.
You shooting that? You shoot like a thug.
I had to shoot one at least, right? Damn!
You still ain't hit.
No, hold on.
Try to find the right. You don't see it.
I see it. Oh, I'm out.
Push down and slide it.
Okay, I got it. What'd you get?
I don't know.
In the middle?
Can't even see. Hell yeah. So we got them right there. Okay. It ain't too bad. I feel like my thing with this shit is when I feel like my thing is when I'm down, I gotta hold this shit up. Put the gun down.
I'm not gonna lie.
Damn, cuz bro, you got a red
I'm not
dot.
gonna lie.
You really cheating. She got a red dot.
I'm not gonna lie. Hold up. Y'all see this place? Y'all see that right there?
Oh, I got it.
Okay. I think there's still one in there.
Alright.
You want to do competition?
Let me shoot your gun, bro.
Let's go, Mr. Krabs.
That red dot helped. Put it closer to your face.
If you want to stay tuned and keep shooting, I'm down. If you want to... Yeah. I'm down.
Oh, look at me though. Look at me though.
Same thing.
Is it out?
Yeah, it's out.
Okay. Where you shoot at?
Right here, these
Yeah,
three.
But I got the closest to it.
Okay.
Major dust.
You 5'7".
I like a red dot on the pistol though. It feels good.
I like this gun. I'll definitely get this gun. Alright. You want to get on?
Huh?
You want to switch the thing?
Yeah, we can.
Before I run out of bullets? I got some bitches in mind, that's why.
They had that gun. That's the best price I ever seen that gun. $499. I ain't gonna ever see that shit again. Yo, I'm slick hurt, bro. They had the gun I wanted for $499 today, bro. That was gonna be my first time ever buying a gun. Slick hurt, bro. I'm slick hurt, bro. It was a FN Reflex. She just, bro. That shit sucks, bro. It's alright. I'ma title this vlog me buying my first gun. Boy, this video. It ain't no vlog.
Come on, man. I should have went first since you taking so damn long.
Now we got one shot.
Damn! Like this. Like this ass.
You only missed one.
Really his ass up. I'm aiming for the head. I'm aiming for the head. I'm aiming for the head. Oh.
That's a big improvement. That's
Yeah.
a big improvement.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hold on. like a thug, bro. You in college. Come here. Shoot to the side. Hit him in the ear though. Hit him in the ear though.
Headshot though.
And you hit him in the nose. Nigga ain't smelling no more.
He ain't eating neither because he's in his stomach.
He ain't hearing, nor is he smelling, nor eating.
Wait, let me finish.
There you go. Man, just, man, blow that shit, nigga.
That's what I was talking about earlier with the rifle.
I said I was gonna shoot my shit like a thug, but I don't know about that one. I gotta reload it, bitch. It's the most time-consuming thing. Damn. How many bullets you got? How many bullets you got left?
Right here.
Fuck. I might do something. I might do it, bro. Go UKN glasses. Y'all can't even really see my glasses. About to blow that thing. This shit look like it got a on it. You stop playing, bro. I don't play about gun safety. What the fuck? Damn, I'm eating this nigga up. I'm eating his ass up, boy. Damn.
You ain't even missing no shots for it.
I'm eating his ass up right now with that Glock. Oh my goodness.
How do I drop it out?
Right here. Oh my goodness. Didn't give y'all a proper outfit of the day. H&M, Billionaire, PacSun Denim, Travis Scott's. I would tell y'all the glasses, but not yet. And then I go New York Fitted. So yep, we'll see y'all in the next one. I gotta go. Imagine that.